Hey guys, welcome to Super Education, and today we are going to be looking at the chapter Electricity for Class 10 CBSE. We'll be looking at the tips and suggestions. The basic idea in working. The amount of charge flow in a particular time is called current. It is based on the electron movement inside a conductor. Electric current is in the direction opposite to that of electron flow. Some basic quantities are charge. Unit of charge is coulomb. Charge is equal to number of electrons into the charge of one electron, that is 1.62 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Current is equal to charge per unit time. The movement of charge in a conductor per unit time is known as current. Potential unit is volt. Potential equals resistance into current. Resistance unit is ohm. Resistance is equal to resistivity into length of the conductor upon area of that conductor. Resistivity unit is ohm meter. Resistivity equals resistance into area of that conductor per unit length of that conductor. Power unit is watt. Power equals current into voltage, that is current into potential. Ohm's law is a very important law in this chapter. Ohm's law states that if there is a conductor in which current is flowing, then V is its potential difference between the ends of the conductor. Then potential difference is equal to current into resistance, where resistance is the constant of proportionality because voltage is directly proportional to I. Therefore, voltage is equal to resistance into I is your Ohm's law. These are some of the formulas for each of the quantities. Then resistance in series. How to calculate resistance in series inside a circuit diagram is by adding individual resistances in the proper order. Resistance in parallel. When two resistors are kept in parallel in the circuit diagram, then finding the equivalent resistance is equal to reciprocal of the individual resistance kept in parallel. Some tips and suggestions. Knowing the circuit diagram components is a must. The components should be in proper order inside the circuit. Make sure you are taking the loop in proper order when you are calculating your individual values of resistance, current, etc. Current flows from positive to the negative terminal from the battery's point of view. Current flows due to potential difference present inside your conductor. These are some of the components present inside the circuit. First is an electric cell. Second is a combination of electric cells. Third is the plug key switch when it's open, and fourth is when it's closed. Fifth is a wire joint together. Wires crossing without a joint. Seventh is electric bulb. Eighth is your resistance. Ninth is your variable resistance or a rheostat, which you use in your electric circuits to vary your current. 10th is your ammeter, and 11th is your voltmeter. Here is a typical electric circuit where you have your ammeter, battery in series, your resistor, your key, and your voltmeter. The importance of electricity chapter. This chapter is the basics of the upcoming chapters such as magnetism. If you make your concepts strong in this chapter, magnetism can be easily understood. It has good weightage in your final exam. This chapter is one of the important chapters because it is the basic chapter which you need to understand the other chapters in science. Commonly asked questions in your board exam. Problems are asked based on the formulas stated before, like your Ohm's law, your resistance, your current, all. When you have equations combining all these components, those kinds of problems are commonly asked. Uses of current and other components such as resistors, voltmeters, etc. is asked. Definitions are surely asked. Circuit diagram drawing and labeling. Don't forget, study well and as well as play Playing and studying are complementary to each other and need to be done in coordination for your optimum marks in your board exam. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you liked it, share and subscribe. Thank you again. See you.